Should I spot conceal? Is it worth it? Why am I not making a TikTok for this? Okay, that was horrible. Ew. Bad to contour this. Is there black on this? Oh my gosh. A bad idea to use cream. Okay, well, I like it. Hi. I'm gonna be doing the Cinco De Mayo makeup look this year. Okay. If you didn't see last year's, then click on the eye, which is right here. But basically, this one's a lot more, I wouldn't say, it's less bold. Basically, all I'm doing is a green crease, a white lid, black liner, lashes, and some red lipstick. Get started because I have other stuff to do with my day. Starting with the Revlon Photo Ready Rose Glow Hydrating and Illuminating Primer, Rose Quartz. I like how this feels when it dries. I don't know, it just makes my feel bouncy. Should I spot conceal? Is it worth it? Maybe I'm just gonna spot conceal by my eyebrows because a girly breaking out right there for some reason. So I'm spot concealing with the e.l.f. 16-hour matte in camo concealer. 16-hour camo concealer matte finish. And this is in the shade Fair Warm because I am a pasty white bitch. Take the concealer where you're breaking out and where you have your acne at and cover it up. BB Beauty Benefit Cream in Light 1 by Sassy and Chick. I've been using this brush lately. This looks like this instead of a beauty blender. Let's see. Highlight the face. Why am I not making a TikTok for this? I'm going to be using a liquid bronzer contour today. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me Foundation in the shade 10. Blend. I'm going to be using this one for my concealer and this one for my contour. Okay, that was horrible. Ew. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Set it with Cartier Spun Faceless Powder and Translucent Extra Coverage. Profusion's Brow Completes Brow Kit. This shade and this one. NYX Control for Cardboard Gel. Baking. I need a wet beauty blender. About to contour this. Yeah, Ginger Face palette. This dark green. I think it's grease. Is there black on this? sheen. Definitely doing cut crease. Oh my gosh. The light green diffuse the crease. Cut the crease. I'm taking a white cream base and adding that to the lid instead of using a liquid because it's way too much. And then take some white powder. I'm just using this one and set it. Okay, bad idea to use cream. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that alone and let it be because it's not gonna do anything better. Eyeliner, I'm just going to be using black because my lash glue is black, so that's why. So I'm just gonna take the Violet Voss All of You Forever palette and take Infinity. From far away it looks fine, but up close it looks so inner corner. Let's use yellow. Lashes, so just curl the lashes, put on some mascara. I don't know what lashes I'm using. I'm just gonna add a little bit of red to the lower lash line. I don't know, I feel like it would make it pop more. Let's find the lashes. I'm using this style right here. Okay, while I let that get tacky, I'm going to be doing my blush and my lipstick and highlight. Shiny blush palette. And I'm going to be taking this shade right here. It's like a red color. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 8-Hour Pro Gloss, and this is in the shade 320 Red Fatale, I think. I don't know. This does not look good. I do not like this look at all. Let's put on the lashes. Honestly, I think anybody else could pull off this look except for me. Okay, let's just put on the highlight and get done with the video. Could be in highlight palette. I'm just taking all the shades. Is the look. I didn't like it, I'm sorry. I think honestly it would look better on anybody else except for me. When I thought of the makeup look last night, I thought it was going to be cute on me, but I guess not. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell so you guys are notified every time you upload. I upload every single Sunday and Wednesday at 2:35 Mountain Standard Time, so make sure the bell's turned on. Go follow my TikToks. My main is Queen_Alexia_YTT, and my beauty TikTok is QueenBeauty_YT. So go follow both of my accounts. I have more, it's just these, they don't go with this channel, you know? So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!